If you have been dealing with skin issues like dull, wrinkle, pimples, lifeless or tired skin, then the time has come to add this fresh juice to your daily diet. Trust me guys, drinking this juice brings a ageless glow on your face. It keeps your skin super clear and bright, and it also keeps your body healthy and fit. So let's find out the recipe. So you will need 2 amlas, also known as gooseberries. This tiny little fruit contains nearly 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. This vitamin is responsible for maintaining the youthful look of your skin. So chop the amlas and add into the mixer. Then you need is 1 medium-sized beetroot. It purifies blood by eliminating the toxins and gives an instant pinkish glow. Plus, it works wonders on oily skin and in fighting against acne and pimples. So chop the beetroot and add into the mixer. Then add the juice of half lemon. Then add around 1 glass of water, that is around 250 ml. Strain the juice into a bowl, then pour into a glass. Then add 1 big tablespoon of honey. So finally add some black salt for taste. Now this one is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Stir well and enjoy this healthy beauty juice in the morning before food, that is before your breakfast. Having this juice daily not only ensures a flawless ageless skin but also a clean digestive system, which is the root of having an amazing skin. So try this for a couple of weeks and share your results with me. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.